Take command of the road in the 2018 Ram 2500. This four-door, six-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, a front bench seat, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.